welcome back to the vlog. It is time to begin the Hawaii vlog and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to document all of this and just have this for a memory to look back on and hopefully for other people to enjoy. And I am so excited. I cannot wait to get there. It'll be my first time in Hawaii and obviously it's Hawaii, it's gonna be beautiful either way, so I'm so excited. It is like 6 a.m. here in California, but I woke up at 5 because it felt like 7 a.m. in Chicago, and so I just was like wide awake and ready to get going. So I'm just gonna get ready and take you guys along. Goodbye, Santa Monica room. It's been real. On our way. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this lighting. We made it to Kona. Yeah! It is so nice here.
We met a really weird man on the plane.
Yeah. He was flaunting his Milan fashion show model who got deported in Italy and was supposed to meet him on his boat in Kona, and
he groped us on our shoulders.
We were like, we don't care. But anyways,
you're so nice for entertaining him though. You talk to him so much.
I know, like, what am I supposed to do? I'm not a rude person, so I'm not gonna be
like. You're so nice. I would be like, I'm asleep.
I tried to be.
You'd be like.
Anyways, we are gonna decide what we're gonna do. We're waiting for our friend to land to go to the house for our workshop, and I'm so excited. Ready for some food, ready for a drink, ready to get laid.
What? Oh.
You know, flower laid. Get a flower in my hair.
Excuse me.
Get some beads. Aloha. Say it with me. Aloha. I also did want to quickly just update you guys because I don't think I really talked too much about why I'm here, so I bought a ticket to this photography workshop. It's called Wild and Unwritten, and it is hosted by these two photographers, Kylie Morgan and Peyton Byford, and basically they put this together, and 17 photographers, we buy a ticket and we come, and it's 2 days of education, 2 days of sessions in the afternoon, and basically it's just going to be a huge game changer for my business, and I can't wait. So I'm so excited to be here. It's my first time in Hawaii. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm just so excited just sitting in the airport. So can't wait to take you all along. This is what we're doing.
At the airport.
At the airport. Casual.
Priorities.
Don't worry. We'll be out there soon. Still at the airport. So warm.
I hate you right now. She makes me feel cool.
Yay! We made it! Can you see yourself? Aloha!
I never know what to do with my favorite app.
This is the appetizers.
Wow.
There you go. Yes! I'm obsessed. Woo! Let it down, girl. Let it down. Woo! She's free. What are you doing? You're out of the sunroof. Don't be on your phone. I'm trying to find a cute filter.
Oh my god!
Are you kidding?
Sit your ass down.
Say hi to the vlog. Hello. Hello. Aloha. All right, everyone. We're at our shoot. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Oh wait.
Oh, hi. Finished hiking up. That was the most beautiful photos we've ever taken.
It was absolutely gorgeous.
Hey vlog, just checking in.
They closed the gates at
So
7.
park closed at 6:30. We'll be locked in. We'll be locked in. Wow.
This is amazing.
Wow.
I need to take a picture.
Last breakfast. Last day. Heading to the airport in a couple hours. Taking advantage of all the sun.